So my wife's snoring is causing our marriage to fall apart, and the worst part is, she won't even admit to being the mouth breather. I even tried the mouth taping method to see if that would solve the problem for us, but as you can clearly see, it didn't work. So I ended up purchasing these viral nose clips. They are supposed to come with 2 tiny magnets that apply gentle pressure to the septum of your partner's nose, which will allow them to breathe up to 10 times more oxygen. And here are the results.